أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. All praises, all thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the world, the owner of the day and the night, the owner of the universe, the creator of the universe. We appreciate Almighty Allah for the blessings of today. My dear children, as a father figure to you, I'm here to speak with you the word of Allah. I'm here as a representative of your parents, and I hope that you'll find this message beneficial to you. And I believe that this message can change the narrative of your life. Let me speak this word to you. Let me say this to you. That you are a blessing from Allah. You are a special gift from Allah. You are a blessing to our life. You mean everything to us. You mean the whole world to our life. So, my dear children, it is so sad today that most of these children that we have conversed our love for, that we have shown we have done so much for, do not really care any longer about their parents again. Let me take you back into a little journey of your coming to this world. I believe after getting this message, you will appreciate the fact that your parents deserve to be listened to, be respected, be loved, and there is no amount of appreciation you give to your parents that can really stand the test of time to appreciate what they have done in your life. My dear children, do you know what your mother did before you came to this world? Do you know what you put your mother into before your mother gave back to you? Let me take you back a memory lane. Immediately, a woman, a mother, discovered that he had a baby in her stomach. That day, such a woman does not own her life any longer. It is only Allah Almighty, and you are in charge of that mother. In fact, your father, every stages that you had to pass through before you finally come to this world, your father will not even, the mind of the father will not be at rest, because anything can happen. Let me tell you some of the things that happened when you were in the womb of your mother. When you were in the womb of your mother, you are the only one who dictates what you want to eat in the womb of your mother. You dictate whatever it is you want to eat in the womb of your mother. When a woman discovers she carries a pregnant, the child sometime may decide that, oh, there are stages where your mother will not be allowed to even drink water. There are stages where your mother will not even be allowed to eat whatever she wants to eat. There are stages where your mother will not even be allowed to sleep by her side. There are stages where your mother, whenever she wants to sleep, Sometimes, some of you, you even box your mom when you were in a womb. Do you know that? Do you know that? That is exactly what you did to your mother. And this mother had to suffer for 9 months, carry you in a womb for 9 months. My dear children, is there anything you think you can use in appreciating that woman? She did a lot that I can't even explain. So our mother, they suffered a lot, invariably. They suffered a lot, all because they want to have us in this world. But let me tell you, do you know why your own mother was struggling, fighting so hard to have you in this world? Do you know that there are some women who decided not to have their own babies? They destroyed, they killed their own baby. They abort their own pregnancy. But your mother carries you for 9 months. It is so sad that today, that same woman, that no amount of appreciation you can give her, if you build 20 mansions for her, these are not enough to really appreciate what this woman has done in your life. Now, this is the same woman, this is the same parent talking to you today, and it seems they have no voice any longer. When they talk to you, you don't listen to them any longer. My dear children, you are now listening to your friends who do not really care about you. Your friends who do not really care about you. Do you think your friends can be there like a mother? Do you think when you had issue, do you think your friends can support you like your mother can do? Do you think there is somebody somewhere who can love you like your mother? Is there any persons anywhere that can stand by you when you are having challenges like your mother? Girl, never. Nobody can love you like your mother. My dear children, it is about time you have to change your attitude. And let me even tell you an hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For every child to gain paradise, your paradise lies under the feet of your mother. Your paradise lies under the feet of your parents. So your paradise does not lie under the feet of the friends who are trying to mislead you. The friends that are telling you, that were telling you not to listen to your parents. These parents, no amount of appreciation, there is no amount of thank you that will be enough to appreciate all that they have done in your life. My dear children, I think and I believe you can reason with me that our parents have done a lot of greater things to our life. They brought us up when we were just a kid. Some parents, they bought a lot of things for you when you were just a kid. Remember, when you were a toddler, your mother used to carry you like a baby carries you around. When you're sleeping, you pee into her body. You did all sorts of things to her. This woman never denies you, never stop taking care of you. Your father do not stop taking care of you. Why is it that today, the only way you can appreciate your parents is by disobeying them, disrespecting them? You talk to them anyhow. You listen to your friends. If there is anything, if anything should happen to you, your friends will not be there for you. No, your friends cannot stand with you. Nobody can love you like a mother. Nobody can support you like a mother. Nobody can cry for you like a mother. Nobody can be there for you like a mother. Nobody can stand by you like a mother. Nobody can do with you like your mother. Nobody can cry all through the night for you like a mother. My dear children, it is about time you have to change your attitude towards your both parents. Love them, respect them, honor them. If indeed you want to earn paradise, you have to work closely with your parents. Don't denounce them. Don't disobey them. Don't dishonor them. Any child that does that to the parents are working towards the path of shaitan. And you know, Allah said in the Quran, La tatabi'u khutuwati shaitan. Allah said, shaitan is our open enemy. Innahu lakum aduwwun mubinun. Because shaitan he only has nothing to do with you than to misguide you. So the only thing we can do is to run away from the path of shaitan, because shaitan is our open enemy. So my dear children, Allah will bless you. Please respect your parent, respect your father, respect your mother, honor your parent, be with them, support them, love them, make them happy. May Allah continue to make you happy. May Allah continue to bless you. I love you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ma'as salam.